Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Just Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about navigating U.S. immigration law, essential insights and strategies for managing your status. Navigating U.S. immigration law is complex, especially for those without proper documentation. Each case's specifics, such as entry method, criminal history, and family situations, determine the available options and potential outcomes. This video aims to clarify these complexities, providing insights and practical advice on various immigration issues. By understanding these factors, you can make informed decisions and effectively navigate your immigration journey. Get all the information, pay attention, and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Limited options for undocumented entrants. The options for individuals who have entered the United States without proper documentation are very limited. The specifics of how an individual entered the country significantly impact the potential solutions available. For example, in the case of domestic violence, even if the individual does not have a criminal record, the situation can be complex. A domestic violence case can render someone deportable, complicating their ability to adjust their status or seek relief. The consequences of a guilty plea. The exact consequences of a guilty plea in a domestic violence case cannot be determined without examining the details of the plea itself. In many states, domestic violence is categorized as a crime of violence, making the individual both deportable and inadmissible to the United States. Before undertaking any immigration-related paperwork, it is imperative to obtain and review all records with an immigration attorney. This professional can provide a detailed opinion on the available options, ensuring that individuals are aware of the potential repercussions and best strategies moving forward. Special considerations for IEPs. When considering adjustments to immigration status based on a child's Individualized Education Program, it's essential to understand that having an IEP, including conditions like autism or ADHD, is not sufficient grounds for legal status adjustment. Although an IEP can indicate special needs and may provide certain benefits within the educational system, it does not independently qualify a parent for immigration relief. Each case must be evaluated on its unique merits, and additional grounds for relief must be explored. Processing times for parole in place. Regarding processing times for immigration applications, such as parole in place, the timelines can be uncertain. For instance, after an August 19th application, it might take between 4 to 6 months, similar to military parole cases. However, without official processing time guidelines, any estimates remain speculative. The uncertainty of processing times underscores the importance of staying informed and prepared for potential delays. Application processing for those outside the U.S. For those outside the U.S., the processing of applications can take approximately 2 years if there are no inadmissibility issues. This timeline can vary based on the complexity of the case and any additional scrutiny it may require. According to USCIS, individuals with a deportation order must still apply for the new parole program from August 19th. Guidelines can change, so it's crucial to stay updated with official announcements and adjust expectations accordingly. Following up on pending residency applications. When seeking updates on specific cases, such as a spouse's pending residency approval, contacting the officer in charge or making a service request can be necessary if the case is beyond the expected processing time. Regular follow-up ensures that cases are not overlooked and that any potential issues can be addressed promptly. The importance of honest legal advice. In the realm of honest legal advice, it is often challenging but necessary to lower expectations. Providing realistic assessments, even if they are disheartening, ensures clients are well informed and prepared for potential outcomes. Honest advice helps manage expectations and enables individuals to make informed decisions about their immigration status. Monitoring new regulations and guidelines. For individuals awaiting new regulations or guidelines, such as parole program requirements, monitoring the Federal Registry for updates is critical. Once published, these guidelines will offer more clarity on eligibility and procedural steps. Staying informed about regulatory changes ensures that individuals can take timely action and remain compliant with new requirements. Dealing with delays in residency approval. For those with approved applications still awaiting residency, regular follow-up and inquiries with the responsible officer or agency are essential. Processing times can vary, often taking 1 to 2 years. Consistent follow-up helps ensure that cases progress as expected and that any delays are addressed promptly. Addressing DUIs and U visa processes. When dealing with complications such as DUIs during U visa processes, consulting with an immigration attorney is vital. A DUI can disqualify individuals from certain immigration benefits, including DACA. Each case requires individual assessment to determine the best course of action. An attorney can provide tailored advice based on the specifics of the case and help navigate the complexities of immigration law. Navigating VAWA cases. Similarly, for Violence Against Women Act cases, where individuals have work permits and pending I-360 forms, patience is necessary. The process can take years, and consistent follow-up is recommended to track progress. Understanding the timelines and staying informed about the status of the case helps manage expectations and ensures that individuals are prepared for the duration of the process. Arranging personal consultations. Personal consultations can be arranged for more detailed discussions, with in-person appointments often scheduled on specific days. Meeting in person can provide more personalized and comprehensive legal advice. In-person consultations allow for a thorough review of the case and direct interaction with the attorney, fostering better understanding and communication. Understanding work permit timelines. For those on work permits, understanding the timelines and potential delays is essential. Work permits, depending on the case, can take 1 to 2 years to process. Patience and regular follow-ups are advised to ensure timely updates. Knowing the expected timelines helps individuals plan accordingly and manage their employment and immigration status effectively. Considering switching from a U visa to a family petition. If considering switching from a U visa to a family petition, a thorough consultation with an immigration attorney is crucial. Many cases involve complexities that make switching inadvisable. An attorney can provide tailored advice based on individual circumstances, ensuring that the decision is in the best interest of the applicant. Each case must be evaluated to determine the most favorable course of action. Addressing work permit renewal issues. For those experiencing delays in work permit renewals or issues with their application, it's important to ensure all documentation is in order and to follow up with the relevant immigration office. Regular communication with the immigration office helps address any discrepancies or missing documents promptly, reducing the likelihood of extended delays. Potential impact of political changes on immigration policies. Regarding the potential impact of political changes on immigration policies, it's important to stay informed about possible shifts. For example, if a new administration reinstates stricter immigration policies, applicants might face new challenges. Consulting with an immigration attorney can help prepare for such scenarios and mitigate risks. Understanding the potential changes and preparing accordingly can help navigate the uncertainties of immigration policies during political transitions. Conclusion: navigating the complexities of immigration law requires careful consideration of individual circumstances, consistent follow-up, and professional legal guidance. Staying informed about policy changes and understanding the intricacies of each case can significantly impact the outcome of immigration processes. With proper legal advice and proactive measures, individuals can better manage their immigration status and work towards achieving their goals. The path through U.S. immigration law is challenging, but understanding the legal landscape and seeking professional advice can make a difference. This video has highlighted key factors affecting immigration outcomes and offered strategies for managing your status. Stay informed, consult with attorneys, and communicate with immigration authorities to navigate this complex process and achieve your immigration goals. That is all for today. In this video, what are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Just Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about navigating US immigration law, essential insights and strategies for managing your status. Navigating the complexities of US immigration law can be challenging, particularly for those who entered without proper documentation. Each case's specifics significantly impact the available options. For example, a domestic violence case can complicate matters, potentially making someone deportable. It is crucial to review all legal records with an immigration attorney before proceeding. In cases involving a child's Individualized Education Program (IEP), conditions like ADHD and autism do not independently qualify a parent for immigration relief. Each case must be evaluated on its merit, and additional grounds for relief must be explored. Processing times for immigration applications such as parole in place are uncertain and can vary. For those outside the US, processing times can take around 2 years if there are no inadmissibility issues. Regular follow-ups with immigration officers are essential to ensure cases progress as expected. Honest legal advice, while sometimes disheartening, is necessary to manage expectations and prepare for potential outcomes. Monitoring updates in federal guidelines and regulations is also crucial to stay compliant with new requirements. Dealing with complications like the DUIs during U visa processes requires consulting with an immigration attorney, as a DUI can disqualify individuals from certain benefits, including DACA. Patience is needed for VAWA cases, which can take years to resolve. Personal consultations with immigration attorneys can provide more detailed and tailored advice. Understanding work permit timelines, which can take 1 to 2 years, and regularly following up with relevant officers is crucial. Switching from a U visa to a family petition requires careful consideration and consultation with an attorney, as many cases have complexities that make switching inadvisable. Regular communication with immigration officers helps address delays or issues with work permit renewals. Political changes can significantly impact immigration policies. Staying informed and consulting with an immigration attorney can help prepare for potential shift. Understanding and preparing for these uncertainties can help individuals navigate the complexities of immigration processes more effectively.